Thank you so much for clicking this video. My name is Lalbog Rajpur, director and trainer of Rebel English Institute. Welcome once again to all with another session of English language. And if you are a person new over here, please subscribe my channel, do comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon, because when you press the bell icon and when you subscribe my channels, I get so much motivation from you, and I will keep making video like this, and you will get continuously knowledge from my video. So in this video we are going to understand what are the importance of English language in our life. So without any delay, let's continue. So as we know that English is an international language and is spoken all over the world. Except for 5 states in India, it is spoken in all over our country. So it can be said that English, it is the age of English. It is the age of era, and in these times you can also imagine every work are being done in English medium. Now you can say it is the era of English. And I have noticed, and you will be also noticed, that the rich people send their children in English medium school to learn English language, to learn English, and pay a lot of money in the name of English, because they know the importance of English. In coming days, it makes our life pleasant. And having deep knowledge in English, you can pass the examination of UPSC, SSC, and bank exam, bank PO. There are a lot of exams you can crack. You can crack any types of interview having deep knowledge in English. But if you don't have knowledge in English, then this thing is impossible for you. You can't do anything in your life. That's why again and again I'm telling you, and I am making the students understand, please keep learning English and start your journey of learning English from today. And learning English does not mean that you should forget your mother tongue. No, you should do never. English, you should give respect to your mother tongue, as well as you should give equal respect to the other language which you are learning. Today, in these times, the most difficult part of our career today is English. You have to always remember this in your mind. So please start your journey of learning English, and in this video I will also tell you how can you do that. Yes, it's absolutely true. Step by step I will tell you how can you start your journey of learning English. First of all, what you have to do, you have to, if you are a person who can solve every grammar questions, and you are perfect in the tenses, you are perfect in voice, active and passive voice, if you are perfect in modal verbs, you can translate any sentences with your mind, and with your pen and copy, then you are suitable for English language. You should work upon your fluency. And how can you do that? First of all, you have to take any first sentences from any tenses, and then you have to note in your copy, and you have to make 6 sentences of each sentence. Okay, and just like I'm giving examples, suppose I have a sentence, I study. So what will I do? I will make 6 sentences of this sentence. So let's continue. So I study, I do not study, do I study, do I not study, why do I study, why do I not study. In this way you have to practice, and after 7 or 10 days you will notice that you are perfect. You have become a great translator. And then you have to next, after 10 days you have to work upon on asking the questions. You have to ask the questions. You can be over there, or you can ask question to anybody. Hey, how are you, what do you do? This kind of questions you can take, and you can make from your mind. And this is the journey of learning English, and you can start your journey of learning English. So please do not waste your times and start your journey today, and make sure this video will be helpful for you, and you must learn something new from this video. So have a nice day. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.